Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Gen 6 Volkswagen Golf TSI, stock reference number 4614. This shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a CAXA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CAXA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one large dent. And we also have the spare wheel. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, climate control type, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.